I'm Nandini, co-founder of a company called SkyDoc. So at SkyDoc, we are building vertical AI agents for healthcare to improve efficiency, operational efficiency, and effectiveness of care. So today, if you see, hospitals are overloaded with a lot of repetitive tasks. So that we share the load of the healthcare professional by automating the repetitive tasks so that they can improve their efficiency. It has been an interesting journey. When we started off doing this product, we went to a few clinics initially, and then they liked the product and it went by word of mouth to hospitals. We got a lot of referrals to do a pilot in hospitals. Of course, Nasscom came at the right time to support us. At the right time, we got into this Nasscom AI Foundry. That helped us to shape our product better. And they also helped us, getting right investor connects, enterprise connects, or mentorship, which was required to execute this pilot so that, we can productize it better. And it has been very helpful in that sense. If you look at US, there is Techstars and Y Combinator, which everybody in the world rushed to apply for that. The reason is they provide that ecosystem and mentorship, investor connect, or it could be enterprise connect and so on. In India, nothing like that is there, especially for the AI. When we actually look at the AI ecosystem, it's still in a very, very nascent stage, and we require that ecosystem support, and Nasscom is doing a fantastic job. I think Nasscom, I could say it was equivalent to a Y Combinator or Techstars of India. I'm very thankful to Nasscom for providing me the right knowledge and the connects to execute my MVP currently. So in 12 months down the line, we've already signed up few hospitals in Indonesia, and we've signed up few hospitals in India. So we see that we're going to expand more to more hospitals, and also looking for good investor connects, and we should be able to raise a good amount of fund.